Now then, Douglas McMaster reporting for the Zero Waste Cooking School. Today we're going fishing. Actually, somebody who knows how to fish has had the honour. This treasure, this smoked mackerel, we are going to be making a toastie with pickled lemon cucumbers. This is the most delicious snack in the universe and it is incredibly easy to make. When you go to the fishmonger, how do you know what's the right choice? What is sustainable, what is not destroying the ocean? Trawlers and big, huge tankers that go out for days and weeks. They cast these big nets and they catch 20 or more times what they actually need and throw away everything that is not in demand. This is, of course, very destructive to biodiversities and creates a phenomenal amount of waste that doesn't need to exist. The solution is actually really simple. Small day boats that go out with hook and line or other sort of non-destructive fishing methods mean that we will have an abundance of this delicious mackerel in the year 3000. But for now, we are going to focus on filleting our mackerel. With filleting the mackerel, you've got the spine that runs from the tail to the back of the head. You want to insert your knife, run it right down on one side of the spine, and then again on the other side. Releasing from this neck. Don't worry if you get this wrong, it's all going to be shredded up anyway. Twist the head off. We don't want any of the bones. Very beautiful. So when you take apart all of the parts of the mackerel, do not waste them. This is precious. This is dynamite. This is going to make a stop for another recipe which is just going to blow your mind. Slice the sourdough about a centimetre thick. Toast the sourdough. We don't want it to be uber crispy, just a little bit, nice and warm. So these are beautiful lemon cucumbers that we've been using, and what we do is we simply salt it and then pickle it. This one's been pickled in elderflower vinegar. You can obviously buy pickles, and then to slice it, basically slice it as thick as your bread. So nicely toasted onto your board, and this beautiful mustard, spread it on. Don't be shy. You can use any kind of mustard. I love whole grain mustard. I like the texture it brings, and it's just a really nice flavour with the mackerel. With a fork, you don't want it to like mush it, you just want to evenly distribute the mackerel. Layer your pickled cucumbers, be generous. The mackerel's super oily and the bread's super neutral, and so this is where the magic happens. The pickled cucumbers will bring you to Flavour Town. So unintentionally we have a very mackerel shaped toastie. This is the mackerel's little mouth, and don't eat me saying. Unfortunately I'm going to eat my mackerel toastie. So delicious. Sweet, salty, savoury, umami, sour, soft. That is delightful. This might be the easiest and quickest dish that we've done here on the Zero Waste Cooking School, but this is actually the most delicious. This is the end of this toastie transmission.